Hello. Today, scholars learned how to tile a figure and then find the area of the figure. So the first thing I'm going to do is when I tile the figure, I want to make sure I'm creating the unit squares inside the figure by connecting my rows and columns. So when I tile, my first step is tile the rows. And today, scholars used rulers to help them make a straight line by setting it against it and then tracing along the ruler. But if your scholar does not have a ruler at home, they can just connect the lines to make them straight. And then now that I've finished my rows, I will do my columns. And I'm just connecting the lines. So now that I've finished tiling the rectangle, the directions tell me to find the area of the figure. I know that I can find an area of a figure by counting and labeling all the unit squares. Okay, and then now that I found my answer, I will circle it and I will write my answer as 16 units squared. Now, this is my first strategy. Great mathematicians always double check their work. So today we learned that we can double check the area of a figure by using multiplication, and we use the formula of A, or area, equals length times width. In order for me to find my length, I'm going to have to count the number of rows I have. So I know length is long. I'm going to count down to find my rows, and I will label it 1, 2, 3, 4. Label that as my length. Now I will find my width. Width is wide, so I will count how many unit squares are in the width. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle that and label that as your width. So now I'm going to put it into the formula. My length is 4 and my width is 4. And I know 4 times 4 is 16. That means I have done 2 strategies, and my second strategy checked, and it shows that my answer is correct. Now I can move on to the next question.